switch is broken. The key does not function. We will install a new one. I have already purchased a Turkish one on the market. Its insides are easily removed. Before installation, it is necessary to de-energize the apartment. Turn off the fuse at the input. You will also need an insulating screwdriver. Using a screwdriver, unscrew the antennae that attach the switch to the wall. The antennae are removed. Now we unscrew the screws securing the ends of the wire. I remove the switch. We see 3 wires. The third wire is grounding. In Soviet-style apartments, as a rule, there is no grounding and we will not need it if you have a modern layout. We connect this wire to the ground connector. Mount it simply. Unscrew the 2 screws. You see 2 holes. You need to drive in there. The tips of 2 wires. Now we tighten the screws tightly. Stick them into the nest and tighten the antennae. We dress the top of the switch, click, and now you can use it. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.